Special technical analysis, guys. Let's recap on the bank shares. 1 week ago, I posted on UOB, DBS, and OCBC, and basically I was calling for sell. What made me call for sell? Because we all know now the banks are all coming down, and it's all because of SVB, because of this what do you have here, South Credit Suisse. So what made me think that way? I'll tell you now in detail, and thank you guys. It was an absolutely spot on call. Disclaimer apply as usual, because I'll be telling you the forecast for the coming weeks for the 3 bank shares, so pay attention, yeah? Now, first of all, please guys, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, okay? Not too bad. We started with about 500 about start of the year, and now we have about 800 plus. Let's hit 1,000, shall we? Okay, thank you very much. Okay, so let's go back first. What made me give the calls? Now, first of all, it was about 12 days ago when I noticed that Credit Suisse, BlackRock, Silvergate are in serious trouble. And I posted that in a video. I said that Wall Street don't play fair and Credit Suisse is in hot soup. Alright? That was something that I said 12 days ago before what happened recently. And in fact itself, right, next about another 3 days later, I reminded that the credit default swaps across the board is getting higher. And of course, remember, Janet Yellen was actually reminding us about the treasuries, and I was explaining you guys that I suspect that there will be a sell-off very soon. And that's why later on itself, right, when Mike Wilson so-called flipped his view in a way, I know that that is a start of something big coming in. And that's why we mentioned that we shorted the Hang Seng, we shorted the China A50 and across the board. And I tell people to buy a lot of VIX back then, remember? Now VIX was at 18 when we called for buy, and now it's at 26, 27. Congratulations to all those people who follow through. But more important is that I updated on DBS, UOB, and OCBC. So let's see what happened, what I said back then and what's happening right now, and what do I foresee in the coming weeks. Okay, pretty cool, right? Let's go. All right, but the thing is this, the best part of this is that today, just now, Straits Times just came out an article and says that Singapore stock shares are down, Singapore bank shares are down because of Credit Suisse crisis. Oh gosh, this is so cool, because this is what I forecast 8 days ago, and now Straits Times is talking about it. Pretty cool, right? Okay, let's recap on UOB first. Okay, first of all, I say that UOB back then was at $29.54, and I say that 28.50 is a very critical support level. If the bank loses 28.50, we may see $26. So let's see what is UOB doing right now. Let's take a look. Now, as it is itself, right, UOB basically broke below $28, as you can see on the screen right now, and now it's trading at about 28, okay? Broke 28.50, yeah. Okay, so my view is still the same. Nothing going to change this. I believe that UOB share is going to go down further to $26. Now, at the moment now, the RSI is kind of low end. We do expect a bit of bounce there. But if you ask me, we are still looking towards at $26. There may be a reprieve to 28.50 to go back to the MA. The blue one is MA 200, but I don't think it will, because the last time we saw this, it basically got rejected here, right? So I believe that this is going to be a resistance. Hence, therefore, I believe that UOB may come back down to $26 as mentioned. Okay, pretty cool. All right, so that is UOB, and now it's OCBC. Now OCBC was trading at 12.50 back then, and I was saying that this is the uptrend line, and 11.70 should be the first support level. So let's see what happened to OCBC now. Let's go live on this. OCBC. Here we go. Alright, so OCBC did come back down. Okay, the things that back then was trading at 12.50, right? Okay, so what's the price right now? It's trading at 12.15. Okay, so the thing is this, as OCBC, the market has not come to the 11.70 target yet, but you can see that very clear it is being resisted at the 150-day moving average, and now it's trading just slightly above the 200-day average. So the volume has been pretty big, but the rejection at the 150, same thing like UOB, sorry. So most likely that if the OCBC loses $12 again, okay, if we lose $12 again, then 11.70 will be next. All right, so look out for 11.70 for the buy. Okay, guys. Okay, cool. All right, the last one, it will be our DBS. Now, DBS was trading at this price of $33.50, and I was saying that it will go to $33 minimum, but in fact, it's not right. I was looking at 31, okay, 31. So let's see what is for DBS now. Let's take a look on DBS live. Okay, here we go. Okay, so DBS really came down to $33 and now it plunged all the way down to $31, the level that I mentioned. Perfect. Spot on, right? And indeed. So now the thing is this, how low do you think DBS will go? Well, in my opinion, if I expect UOB to go down to the lower level here, then I think that this DBS should be going down too. So based on the chart view, let me just give it more, take a look here. I'm doing it live right now, so there's no preparation work. It's just more like telling you how I see this. Okay, so if I look at it right now, I think pretty clear. There should become gap covering, so we should see this price. So which means that now DBS is trading at 32.61. If the market continues to go lower, I do expect DBS to come back down to 30.50. Now, at the moment now, the RSI is definitely at the low end, and of course, based on the past historical pattern, we're going to see a bit of bounce, and we're seeing right now. But once the market loses strength again, which I suspect it will, then it will come back down to $30.50. All right. So, guys, 3 outlook that I gave weeks ago, yes, all have happened, and now let's see the next 3 weeks whether I will be right once again. All right. So guys, if you like what you hear, then do take note. I have a preview coming in this coming Saturday, 18th of March. It's a Saturday, right? 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. I'm only limiting to 120 packs, and now it's at 91 people have registered for it. Thank you very much once again. And I'll tell you something extra now. I've decided that I'll give out 3 stocks to recommend to you for on Saturday. Now, these 3 stocks itself are gonna be likely gonna rebound sufficiently for a good what they call run from June to December period. Okay, so you have more than enough time to prepare yourself to buy on that and keep it for 6-month period. Okay, all right, I'll see you then. Take care. Have a great day. This is Cal signing off. Bye bye.